Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how you can design anything you need for your marketing without knowing how to do any design. For years now, since this app launched, I have been using it for all kinds of designs for both some of my clients, for my own projects. It is just one of the best graphic design tools and an essential tool in your toolkit as an online entrepreneur. Canva's grown so much in the last few years where they're now doing video editing and every kind of piece of content you could want to create through here. And the best part is they have templates that you can start from like no tomorrow. It's amazing. So if we just kind of poke through some of these things, here you go. Presentations. If you need to create a presentation, there's literally like an instant templates you can choose from, simple presentations, so many great ways to just not have to start from scratch. Look, even if you're a teacher, there's different classroom, like all these really cool designs. Throw away the PowerPoint. This is the new tool. So presentations, one amazing way to use these. Logos. You want to create a logo? They give you a blank slate. There's all kinds of neat ways you can come up with logos. Again, tons of samples to really start from. So if you don't have the resources to pay somebody, you can be a graphic designer and you can create what you want using this amazing tool. Instagram stories, videos, the video editor I just started to play around with in the last couple of weeks and is really cool. Easy to drag in some sample videos and then even upload. And it's so simple that you can pull in video and then just basically build out a small short clip of a video that you can then upload anywhere. So again, video, amazing. But it all started with just, graphics and stuff. Like for example, here, I just made a YouTube banner out of this. Very simple. It's the exact measurements, easy to update, easy to change. Again, all done by me in minutes, sometimes even seconds. I made a whole bunch of thumbnails for YouTube very quickly just by copying one after another. And again, using a template I just found in the template library that Canva comes with. So amazing tool, really fast to use, very easy. Everything can be downloaded in different styles. So PNG files or JPEGs, PDFs even, videos, whatever you need, it's at your fingertips and it's web-based, which again, this is the beauty. All of this stuff 10 years ago had to be done using Photoshop or Illustrator, something you had to install on your computer. And now Canva makes it all available to you right in here. Again, so many neat tools, colors, backgrounds. There's just so much to explore and so much to do. You can also have your team in here. You can share things out if you have a big group of other, marketers that want to use, the same designs. There's great collaboration and sharing tools. You can build out your team. Again, uploads where you can store all artifacts that you've uploaded, whether whatever it's for, to add to those pictures and graphics that you're building are there. Yeah, really great tool. And, I think if you're not, really good with graphic design, using Canva is the way to go. It's just going to provide you with exactly the tools you need to really quickly and, really scrappy get what you need for images so you can just, build the content that you're building. So I highly recommend this. Check it out. I hope this was an interesting little demo of, my review of Canva and what I think of this. If you like what you see, check out some of my other videos, subscribe and like, and would love to see you ask any questions in the comments. If you're curious more about Canva or other aspects of online business, by all means, reach out and would love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day. Again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.